Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Let's begin with our book, Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with another new chapter today, and the name of the chapter is Famous Explorers, that is chapter number 37. Now in this chapter, first let me tell you what is an explorer is. An explorer is a person who travels to unknown places in order to learn more about them. So here you will read about some of the explorers in the chapter. Let's begin with it. The first explorer given over here is Valentina Tereshkova, and she was the first woman to travel in space in the year 1963. She was also the first space traveler who had never been a test pilot. So she is Valentina Tereshkova. Then there is a your answer please for you children, and it asks you that which Russian cosmonaut became the first man to travel into space in the year 1961. Look out for the answer and write the answer here in the book itself. The next explorer we have is Ferdinand Magellan. He is Ferdinand Magellan, and he was a Portuguese explorer. He traveled from Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean, and he was the leader of the first European expedition to cross it. So the famous Strait of Magellan has been named after Mr. Ferdinand Magellan. Then the next we have here is Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama was a famous Portuguese explorer who sailed around the continent of Africa, and in 1498 he reached the coast of Calicut in India. He is Vasco da Gama. Then the next we have is Christopher Columbus, and he was the first European to reach America in 1492. He named the people he met there as Indian, and assuming that he had reached the shores of India. उसे लगा कि वो इंडिया पहुंच गया है, इसीलिए उसने वहाँ के लोगों का नाम रख दिया Indians. Then next we have Bartholomew Dias, and he was an explorer from Portugal who sailed around the tip of Africa in 1488. He called it the Cape of Storms, and later it came to be known as the Cape of Good Hope. So the Cape of Good Hope was earlier called by him as the Cape of Storms. This is Bartholomew Dias. Let's now read the quick fact. The quick fact says Neil Armstrong was the first human being to walk on the moon on July 1969. Now here in the quiz time we have to name the following, and we begin with the first one. The question is the person who said the words "one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind," and it was spoken by Neil Armstrong. Then next we have one of the first European travelers to travel the Silk Route to China, and the name of the person is Marco Polo. Then we have the Indian city in which Vasco da Gama died, and the name of this city is Kochi. Now it is called as Kochi, K-O-C-H-I, Kochi. Last question is the first Indian to go into space, and he was Rakesh Sharma. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.